Hi guys. Okay, so what we're gonna make today is a chair. So first of all, you need to make a line with like a Sharpie or something across the top of a bottle, I guess. Like up here, like I did. Then you're gonna make a line on this side and the side across from it down to the middle of the bottle. Then make a horizontal line at the middle of the bottle. Then come down from that line in the front till about like a centimeter from the bottom. Then make a horizontal line about a centimeter from the bottom. Then, first of all, you need to cut off the top of this, and then cut off the bottom, like this bottom circle area. But it's gonna come out looking more like a square because it's very hard to cut a circle on this hard plastic. So you can like start here and go around, and then you can use some duct tape and border it and make it look more like a circle. Okay, so I now have that part done. I have the duct tape around here, and then I cut off the top of it. And then since I have this top part cut off, well, first of all, you need to take off the little ring around here because otherwise it won't really work that well. But then you take off the lid of this. Then this should fit through here like this. Then you can cut on the rest of these lines to make the actual chair shape of it. You can pause the video now to do that. Okay, so now that we have that cut, then we need a cushion. So I made a cushion. I just used some cardstock and then cut out a piece of fabric and folded it over the sides. And the cardstock does fit in here, but these things are folded over. If you fold them over like that, don't cut them, because then they can fit in like this, and it'll come over the front and it'll look more like a cushion than just a piece of fabric, I guess. Then over here, it does kind of look sort of weird, but you can put duct tape a little bit higher on this side if you want to cover that up. But now we're gonna have to line it. Now we're gonna line it with duct tape since these edges are kind of pointy. So do that everywhere. Your chair is now done unless you want it to not be clear, but some other transparent color. If you do, take whatever color of marker you want, then just, I don't know, draw on there. I mean, whatever, color on there or whatever. And then it'll still be transparent, but you have to wait a little bit for it to dry. I am gonna do that. So let's get to it. Okay, never mind. Apparently you need Sharpie to do that. So I'm gonna go get my Sharpies instead of my washable markers. I made mine orange, and now it's done. Ta-da! There's your miniature chair that is perfect for Barbies.